Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to update your Apple Watch using either your Apple Watch or your iPhone. Now it's pretty simple. So first you're going to go into your settings. And if you use an iPhone, then you go into your watch app. But yeah, either way. And you're just going to press on general. So again, general in here. Now you need to make sure your Apple Watch is at least 50% battery. And you also need to charge it. So it needs to be on the charger. Alright, so of course next. Alright, it's going to press on software update. Now you're going to scroll down. So I actually have this prompt here to read the terms and conditions here. So I'm just going to press open app. And I'll just agree to it. Okay, so guys. Okay, so right here it's going to say download and install, or it's just going to say install. But yeah, you press that, and just give it a second to verify. I actually had some issues doing this the other day, guys, but I unsynced my watch and resynced it. So it should work here. Wish the timeout wasn't so quick. Okay, so you guys see it's restarting. And you can also tell in here it says installing. Alright guys, so it's updated. And hey guys, all there is to it. So hopefully this helped out.